look at the size. This is M size, and you can see the firma of M size also. In regular market you can't get this kind of sizes in XL or double XL, but DK Textile will give you its M size. It is all season variety. All season means you can wear this in any festival, in marriage, and also it is casual and office wear look. Hello friends, so DK Textile has launched a very new variety, very trending variety. Look at this beautiful variety. So what is this? This is the kurti variety with astar and lining, and available in 4 sizes, M to double XL. First I will show you the variety. Look at this beautiful variety. This kind of variety is the top trending variety right now, because it is all season variety. All season means you can wear this in any festival, in marriage, and also it is casual and office wear look. So all in one kurti variety is launched in DK Textile. Look at the size, look at the length, and available in multiple color and design. Look at the color and design available here. And in the neck you will get this kind of beautiful design. Look at the beautiful design at the neck, and inside of that you will get this kind of lining or astar. And this is the sleeveless kurti, but the sleeves are inside, and you will get attached sleeve also. So you will get both kind of variety, half sleeve and full sleeve in this kind of variety. And this kind of bundle to bundle combos are available. Any bundle you will purchase, you will get 4 sizes, M to double XL. Look at the beautiful color and design. This is the print variety. We have premium simple colors, also single color varieties also in this variety. Look at this, and these are the colors and design. You will get more than 50 plus designs and colors on this variety. If I talk about the sizes, then 4 sizes are there, M, L, XL and double XL. Starting from the look at the size. This is M size, and you can see the firma of M size also. In regular market you can't get this kind of sizes in XL or double XL, but DK Textile will give you its M size. And in the side you will get this kind of rope, which will beautifully enhance the beautifulness of this kurti. And look at the color and design, my friend. I am putting it here. Look at the color and design, and look at this beautiful color. You wouldn't get this kind of color in all range of kurtis, but DK Textile has launched kurti in which you will get all kind of design, sizes and all kinds of print, which will be easily wearable at all the occasion. So if you have shop or you have a boutique, then you can purchase this kind of variety and sell in your counter in more than 500 to 600 rupees. This is at only price of 220 rupees. Yeah, you have heard it right, my friend. This is available at only 220 rupees. Look at the beautiful colors and design. Look at this. I am opening one simple color kurti. So look at this. This is the simple one kurti. Look at the beautifulness. So if you also have shop or you want to purchase for this kind of varieties in wholesale, then our number is given on the screen. You can connect with our salesman and call them for catalog. We are located in Surat, so you can visit also. Our address is also given on the description, and all over world delivery is available of this kind of variety. You have heard it right, all over world is delivery. Look at this. This is one double XL size, and COD is also available. Our minimum order is 10,000 or 40 pieces. So purchase with us, join with us, and be a better businessman and compete with other with a many minimal range. So get this kind of variety in wholesale at a very genuine range. We have lot more than 100 plus variety. Starting range is only 90 rupees and ends in 920 rupees. So connect with this kind of any wholesale or customization option is also available. So you can order and customize also, but for customization MOQ will change. So you can purchase this kind of varieties in wholesale from DK Textile and do your retail business at a very next level. So see you in the next video. Till that, subscribe our channel so you will get regular update on this kind of varieties.